Easy peasy, let me tell you what. What's up guys, this is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and we got the Senton 4x4 3S. It's turn to hit the new ramps. I'm really digging this 3S platform. So much power. The motor and gearing and everything they set up in these trucks is really good. I mean, it's an SCT. God, it's just it's what I always wanted an SCT to be. I had the Senton 6S and I just never really liked it. It would always nosedive on me and I always thought it was too heavy. This thing is light, nimble, and it actually flies good. And it'll pop a wheelie. I am running my new, or not new, my Pro Match batteries, 3S batteries, 6500 milliamp. I think they're 70 or 60 or 70C. I think this thing could darn near backflip. I think we should try it. I should have just committed to it. Oh, landed on its feet. So last time out I did break both body mounts. I've broken an A-arm on this, so the plastic in cold weather is a little bit fragile. It's a little bit warmer today, so we'll see how it does. Oh! Oh, that was rough. Oh, I love the wheelie bar and how it, when the body catches air, the wheelie bar just doesn't let it flip over. Let's see if I can readjust this a little bit. Wow. So I mentioned in my unboxing that I got a Proline Profusion Brute Armor body. I've been trying to fit that up. Oh, hey, it backflipped. So I've been trying to fit up that Proline Profusion Brute Armor body, and that Lexan is so unbelievably thick that I'm having a hard time. So I'm hoping that I can still make it happen, or else I wasted $100. So if anybody's planning on doing that, just get the regular one, not the extra Brute Armor, just the regular Profusion body, because I think that'll be just fine. Oh, yes, we can backflip. Oh, that was brutal. I nailed it, yes. Backflip on an SCT. All right, let's readjust here. Love it. Oh man, so much low end torque in this thing, and 3S just amazes me. There's that parachuting. How impressive is this truck? Backflipping it on 3S. Just an animal. I can't recommend this truck enough. I really can't. It's been a great pickup. I don't know how the Granite and the Big Wreck is, but I'd have to think they're similar to this. And this one does come with a 20-tooth pinion. I actually ordered a 20-tooth pinion, only to discover when I opened it all up, it already had it. But it's so easy to work on. It's no big deal. Wow, this thing is fast. Let's see if we can get it to do one more backflip here. Easy peasy, let me tell you what. All right, let's finish this off with a couple speed runs. As the car comes. I'm considering getting some street tires for this bad boy just for fun, because these tires are definitely off-road tires. Arrma, what have you done? This is amazing. Best SCT I've ever driven.